Hello again, friends. Welcome back to Android App Stars. Today's app is actually an app that you can use to electronically keep your signature and upload it, so you can remotely sign any document, and you can use it for for anything like in your Dropbox, or just if you want to scan a document and also just take a picture of it. So we're going to be looking at some of the features. Let's take a look. Take a look at it. Open it up. So, like I said, once again, once you created a profile, you can use this document to sign documents from your Google Drive, your Dropbox, iCloud, your Evernote, whatever. Or you can also, just like I have this one right here. Wanted to just this is just a document I just uploaded, and just wanted to see if I just to show you. Now there's actually not a space on here to do it, so I'm gonna just show you. Just if I hit the little pin right here, and from right here you have your options to put your signature, to your initials. You can do some other things to put the date and check mark on here as well, or you can write your own text. But we're gonna focus on the signature. So I've already uploaded my signature, so I've already created my signature. So if I push the signature, this box right here comes up. And there's my signature right there. And if I, like I said, if I want to move it around, I can move it where I want it to. And then once I'm through, I can just hit the button. I can just hit the back button. So if I were to hit the plus sign right here in the lower right hand corner, I have my options where I can get my documents. And the one I want to use now is the scan document, which you use the camera from your phone or your tablet or whatever device you're using. So I have the document here, and I want to take a picture of it. And once I have the image, I click on the button right here on the right. And from here, I can do some editing to the image if I wanted to crop it more. And then once you finish, you hit the check mark. So that's a more detailed one now. You want to save the image, and you can name it right here. I'm just going to leave it unnamed. So next, when you have it, you can go over do the same thing again. You can put your signature on here. So on the space where you want to put the signature, you can zoom in as well. So when you see a line or lines where it needs your signature, you hit the pencil here in the lower right hand corner. You can add your signature, your initials, just like before. So I'm gonna add my signature, and you move it to the desired place you want it. So in this particular case, it's bigger than I need it to be, so I need to edit it. So I click on the signature, and I want to go back. So I delete it. And you can use your finger, but I use a stylus to do it. So and then you can choose the color you want: blue, black, red, purple. So I want to keep it black. And I write my signature again. And once I'm finished, I hit apply. now that my signature is back in there, I can move it to the desired space that I want it. And once I have it right there, I can go back and it's saved. So then I have my document saved with the new signature attached right there. So this is a few of the options you can use with this this app, and you can try it out for free in the Play Store and see if it will fit your needs. So tell me what you think about this video. Be sure to always to like my videos. Just be sure to subscribe to my channel if you already haven't. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you again next time.